Today we're making chicken cordon bleu in the crock pot. So the first thing we need to do with any crock pot recipe is make the sauce because we want a little on the bottom. So we're going to put a cup of chicken broth, a cup of milk. You could use whipping cream, you could use regular milk. I'm using almond milk because that's what we have at our house. Then we're going to dump in a teaspoon of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder into the milk broth mixture. We're going to do a squirt of ketchup. I happen to have Dijon. You can do whatever you have. Then we're going to stir that up, and we're going to put just a little bit in the bottom because we don't want anything to burn. Okay. Next, we're just going to start layering. So we have about 2 cups of chicken. We can just dump that in. We have some deli ham, just maybe half a pound. Dump that in. I have my personal assistant with me today. And then we have some Swiss cheese. If you don't have that, you could use mozzarella. There's lots of different things you could use. And then you're going to take your mixture, you're going to pour it over the top. Keep going. Okay. It's going to look a little soupy, but we're going to put pasta in this later, so we need it to be that way. And we need to get all of that mustard out. And then for the very end, we put some cream cheese on the top. You could cube it. I wasn't fancy. Just basically needs to sit there. I did read some recipes where you could melt that and put it in your sauce, but I didn't do that. Then we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to put this on low for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so it's 2.5 hours later. We're going to check on this. So we'll take off the lid, and we're going to stir it to see if we think there's enough liquid to cook the pasta in. And I do, so we're going to take a box of pasta, a pound, and I'm going to dump, that's about half. Just want to make sure that the pasta doesn't overwhelm what's already in here. I don't want everything pasta and nothing else. So that is about half, and we're going to keep that on low, and we're going to cook it for about another 30 to 40 minutes, and it will be ready. Okay, I just wanted to show you, I ended up putting the whole box of pasta in, and I added, this can of broth that I used is 14 ounces. I only used a cup for the sauce, so I added a little more broth because I wanted this meal to give us some leftovers. So again, we'll put the lid back on and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes, and it will be done. All right, so it's been about 40 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off. I actually cooked mine on high because I had not done noodles in the crock pot before, and it was just perfect. The noodles are cooked. Let me just dish. Look at that. Now, if you wanted, you could add some butter in here just to make it a little more creamier. You could add some whipping cream. You could add some additional cheese, but I think it looks great. So give it a try, and until next time, make it a great day. Bye.